How many kilocalories are lost when 560 grams of water cools from 67 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius? Okay, so let's look and see what they've given us and what we don't know. How many kilocalories? They're looking for heat. So heat, we don't know. That's what we're looking for. The mass is going to be 560 grams. The mass is 560 grams. The initial temperature is going to be 67 degrees Celsius, and the final temperature is equal to 22 degrees Celsius. So let's calculate the change in temperature to save ourselves some time. Delta, this is a triangle, means delta, so delta T, change in temperature, is equal to the final temperature minus the initial temperature. So the final temperature was 22 degrees Celsius. We're going to subtract off the initial temperature of 67 degrees Celsius, and that will give us negative 45 degrees Celsius. So that's the temperature change. The formula that we're going to use for this problem is that heat is equal to the mass times the specific heat times delta T to change in temperature. Okay, we don't have the specific heat. That wasn't given to us in the problem. However, we know that the definition of calorie is such that the specific heat is for water is equal to 1 calorie per gram degree C. That just says that 1 calorie will raise a gram of water 1 degree Celsius. Okay. You could have also used the specific heat that we used from the previous problem, and then at the end converted from calories and converted to joules. Okay. Well, the mass here is, we're filling in the problem now, 560 grams. The specific heat we said was 1 calorie gram degree C, and the change in temperature, negative number, negative 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we multiply these numbers together. We take 560 times 1 times a negative 45. We're going to come up with a negative 25200. And what's our unit going to be? Grams cancels here. Celsius cancels there. So our units are in calories. We were asked how many kilocalories. So we know that there are 1,000 calories in 1 kilocalorie. So we can do a conversion. We'll take our negative number, 25200 calories. We're still on the thing. We want to get rid of calories, so we'll put our 1,000 calories in the bottom and our 1 kilocalorie in the top. So we're going to end up dividing by 1,000. So we'll take this number, multiply by 1, divide by 1,000, and we will get 25.2 kilocalories. Now, if you look at the initial problem, the 22 has 2 significant figures. We've got 2 significant figures here and 2 here. So we really can't report 3 significant figures in our answer. So we'll need to report this as 25 calories. And we'll draw. And this is a negative because heat is being lost. So you lose heat, it's negative.